Alright, after 5 days in a row with 10 plus species and 1 or more live listeners a day, I'm going to try for 6. Did you see that? Oh yeah, man. That's, I haven't seen this kind of splashing around since the mud sunfish slash pickerel bonanza of last year. Because they both like to get way up in, it's so thick though. Oh man, well it was pretty thick then too. Unfortunately, I don't know if I can find enough holes to actually, it doesn't seem, oh yeah, no. I don't think I can get in there and find them. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna have to micro this and go much shallower because the weeds are actually like from the bottom up. This is like midsummer kind of thickness. It's crazy. But they're in there, as you can hear. And I actually haven't seen this kind of splash going in here since the day that I got the 20 plus mud sunfish and the pickerel. And I don't know if they're spooking because of me or if they're attacking mosquito fish. Oh, there's something. Yeah. Flyer. New fish for the week, which is, I was hoping for. Oh, I was hoping not to. God's sake, man. Comedy of my asinine fish handling inability continues. It's more my stupidity to think that I can ever not have a clamp on them and think that they're not going to immediately flop out. Alright, very nice, dark colored. God's sake. Very nice green. Oh, that's a good. Very nice, very nice. Throw them back there. Alright, could be a warmouth over here too, along with a flyer and spot. They prefer this area, and they prefer the underbridge area. There's a spot. Very nice muddy spot. They're not muddy, but chocolatey. Not muddy, I guess. And now covered in grassily. I may need to change my hook because it's bent out just a tiny bit. Just a little tiny bit. Probably not coming back out. Oh, there's a lot of mosquito fish activity right there. And it's from this fish. That's a flyer. Maybe it's a warmouth. Oh, that's a nice one. So I'm on species 4 total. I showed you the picture of the bass. I actually had about a 16, 19 inch, you can tell on, and then maybe a 14 incher. Both of them just, took it and ran. I think I have a slightly better setup now. And I'll just let him have it a little longer. Although as small as he is, it makes me think like I should be hitting him really quick. Oh man, that is just a little fish. But again, I mean, it's hitting just like a blue spot hit. Banded sunfish would be awesome. Pygmy sunfish, I don't have any clue that any of those live here. It is a different, yes it is, it's a muddy. Did I say? Different species? Boom, that's a lip. Yeah. why wouldn't you also fall on the ground? I love the variety. I mean, you mixed it up though a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, threw the micro hook into my finger. Muddy. All right, so they are here in the spring. Very nice. Look at. Let's get him. Well, he is dark, man. Dark, dark, dark. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 species on the day. Most importantly, the other nice thing though is that's 2 new species for the week. So 1 more new species for the week, and I'm at 50. So I was averaging over 10 a day until yesterday. Oh, that I was gonna say that felt a little heavy like a warmouth, but it's a nice spot. Nice, pretty spot. Yeah. Pretty little guy. Yeah. A lot of people don't care for spotted sunfish. Those are generally the people that just want some bass. I want big old bass. You know, but those who appreciate little fish and just the beauty of individual fish and the challenge of multi-species catching, challenge of getting a hook out of a mouth. My goodness, what in the world? I've got a little micro pliers for this, but I don't know where they are, so put them somewhere safe. It's a pickerel. I just gotta get him out of that weed. Oh, it's a redfin. Oh, you know what? I gotta, oh, if I can just, oh, he's in the weed. If I can keep him from, I've got a scoop net. PB2. Oh, please get out. God damn it, fucking thing. Got the camera. It's hooking the fucking lure that I haven't used the whole time and I have no use for. Ow, fucker. One more hook, get out. Come on. No way, he's still there, man. Oh, still be there. Still be there. He's gone. God damn it. You're gonna want to turn your sound down. God damn it! Redfin pickerel, you saw it. Oh, God. So fucking angry that God. He's not coming back. It's like a fucking horror show. That was like a fucking horror movie. He was right there, inches too far for me to reach. The only fucking couldn't even walk in to get him and get myself dirty and wet. Mother. Damn it, you do every fucking thing right. You know exactly what the fish is, exactly what they're doing. And you approach it perfectly and you fucking catch him and he gets on a fucking lead. And then that net is stuck on the lure that I couldn't even use, and I brought it for 1 spot the first day. I couldn't even use it because of this. The spot was so clogged with what? With weeds. With these here, these. Oh, that was twice as big as the first one I caught. I got him. Oh, it's a turtle. Of course it's a turtle. The pickerel gets away. The turtle, though, boom. Yeah, no problem catching the turtle. pickerel gets caught in the weeds, gets away. Turtle comes right up. If that net could have come out of the car immediately, I could have scooped him up so easily. So upsetting. And on. I couldn't put it down fast enough, and here comes Mr. Redfin. It didn't even get an inch in the water. Oh, no, need a picture of you. A picture of you. Oh, okay. Any of those? I think so. It was like state record size, quite frankly. Look at that guy. What a beautiful fish. Man, like a little snake. All right, and there's at least 3 of them in there, including him, and because 2 of them spooked. And I was actually, I was trying to get a bead. I was trying to get a depth read, a bead on the depth. And I dropped it right in, and it's like I thought I missed the weed, didn't even get it down into the water, and he popped it. I missed the first one I caught on video because my SIM card was full, but I got pictures. Missed this catch because of just general whatever. Crap, it is so shallow in here. That's where they are, though. They're so shallow. There's one to my right now. I'll go over there and see if he's available. Oh, thank you, God. That was great. Just want a picture, Just want a little documentation, a little photo album kind of thing. Stick with a sunfish hook because that was a big fish. And oh no. Okay, so that was either another pickerel or a big flyer or a warmouth, or it could have been a nice size spotted. Those were pretty strong. Of course the camera would be off, he's not foul hooked, he's underhooked. Oh, nope. Just gotta make sure you are in fact a warmouth. And yes, he is. With the micro, that is probably the fish that took the macro under, because that's where he hit it. 7. Wonderful, so beautiful. All right, back you go. I think it's time for me to go hit. Well, I'll micro a couple more here. Maybe I'll keep the camera on for once. Wouldn't it be novel to record a catch on video that doesn't get away? I'm sticking with a spot longer than I intended because I want to get to 10. Dollar Sunfish are possible here. I've never caught them. Wow, how is it so shallow here? Never caught them in the other spots. The other 2 spots I'm going later. So, they do have more bullheads. Only caught 1 bullhead at this spot. Rarely they have a red breast sunfish, but I'm kind of running out of species available. And Dollar is one species that is available.